To you, good afternoon, Coffee Talk. I'm first warning meteorologist Eric Burris. It is grossly hot once again across Central Florida. Do whatever you have to do to stay cool. Here's a look at temperatures these last couple of days. 94 on Monday, 97, 98, 96. Where do we end up today? It's just a matter of watching the thermometer, and of course, I will be monitoring all of that. High pressure and control, keeping the skies sunny, keeping our atmosphere dry. We've just not had much of a chance to get into any kind of cooling showers or thunder showers. So here's a look this evening. Temperatures mid to upper 90s across the interior, lower 90s back over to the area beaches. It is seriously dangerously hot. Little by little, things are going to drop off. I'm still planning on waiting just a little bit longer until I go out and mow, like probably 7, 8 o'clock, like right around just before the kids go to bed. I mean, it's so hot. I'll wear my big hat, do my whole thing. Clearing the skies little by little, temperatures in the upper 80s, mid 80s just thereafter. But let's talk about Futurecast. Let's get you out and see what's doing here across Central Florida. Let's just start things off at about 5 o'clock, okay? Here we are. You can see an isolated shower, maybe a thunder shower, kind of everything working off toward the west. So because of that, it's obviously very, very warm. But let's look at our Saturday, because this is the part that starts to really change. 7 a.m., when I see you on West 2 News Sunrise tomorrow, I think we're going to be talking about a few showers along the coastline, which sounds good to me. 9, 10 o'clock, still looking good. But watch how from lunchtime on, as that heat is starting to really build, we're going to start to see some showers cropping up across Central Florida. It's a big deal. It may not seem like a big deal, but showers mean cooling temperatures, and that is something that we need. So while, yes, we're still getting into the upper range of the 90s tomorrow, watch for 5 p.m., widely scattered showers and thunder showers. 6 p.m., very heavy downpours across Central Florida. Again, it's not going to be one of those scenarios where it's going to be an all-day rain, but it is going to be one of those scenarios where we are going to have decent shower and thunderstorm coverage. And I do want to point out that we are under, because of all of that heat energy, we are under a low-end risk for strong to severe storms. 1 out of 5 risk for strong to severe storms. So keep that in mind. For today, though, obviously, it's very, very hot. Surf running 1 to 2 if you're wanting to head to the beach or take the boat out after work today. Just be careful. That heat, that UV index, it is downright dangerous. Though I do want to point out, water temperatures have climbed into the mid-80s. And for that matter, the pool looks like an absolutely wonderful forecast. 97 still is kind of the ballpark of what we're doing today. Tomorrow, 97, and then the thunderstorms arrive. And then by Sunday, I think that we're going to be able to shift things around just enough that we're going to be able to break some of this heat bubble. Okay, it is, though, Father's Day weekend. So let's plan, my friends. We're talking about high temperatures in the upper 90s for your Saturday, high temperatures in the lower 90s for, for your Sunday. So that is the big deal. That's the big deal. Let's talk about temperatures for Saturday. This is forecast high temperatures. This is not, I repeat, this is not a look at the feels like. We actually hit 97 in Orlando. We actually hit 99 degrees in Sanford. We actually hit 99 degrees in Leesburg, 98 in Ocala. So with that said, tomorrow, believe it or not, may be the hottest of days that we have seen these last few. And if that plays out, could we be talking about records? The answer is actually an astounding yes. Where's that graphic? I had it a second ago. Am I blind? Okay, I know I had this graphic. I think Sanford hits a record. I literally just looked at this. That's Friday. I know. Wow. This is very funny. This is very funny because the list... Okay, at any rate, what I wanted to say is I do think we're going to be getting into record territory for tomorrow. I do think we're going to be getting there. Sanford, I think you're going to break a 35, 40-year-old record by a couple of ticks. So at any rate, just keep that in mind. By popular demand, Summer Begins was added to our 7-day forecast. That after our morning coffee talk. So for us today, in the vicinity of 97 degrees. For tomorrow, we're in the same ballpark. Then we get late day showers and thunder showers firing up. It's going to be too late to really make an impact on our forecast for high temperatures, but at least it's there, right? Then we look ahead to Sunday. Storms will fire up just a little bit earlier. That's a good thing. That will at least help to insulate us just a little bit from that oppressive heat, that dangerous heat. And it is dangerous heat. And then Monday into Tuesday into Wednesday as summer begins. Interestingly enough, notice the rain chances are pretty subdued. Yeah. Has the rainy season started yet? I still haven't gotten an update from my friends who work over at the Weather Service, so I should probably reach out and ask. But for now, it doesn't really look like it. The rains this weekend are coming in from a cold front. So anyway, all right. What is coming up today on WESH 2 News starting at 4 o'clock? Obviously, the weekend forecast, because we've got a lot of changes. We've got brand new computer model data coming in even as we speak. We're going to run down the numbers in your county. Just how hot do you get? What I showed you is the most recent data, but meteorologist Alex Alisi, meteorologist Cam Tran updating things as we speak. So we'll talk about those numbers. Then, of course, we're going to be talking about the rain timing. It is Father's Day. It is Juneteenth. There's a lot of events for Juneteenth, and of course, we're trying to make memories for our fathers and father figures. So there's a lot of questions in the forecast. Tune in just about 23 minutes or so for WESH 2 News starting at 4 o'clock. All right? I will see you in the morning starting at 5 a.m. on WESH 2 News Sunrise. In the meantime, be the sunshine in someone else's day. Doesn't mean heat them up. It just means be the sunshine. I will see you guys and gals on TV tomorrow morning.